Hi you guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am doing a rainbow organic balloon garland in these colors. We're going to use orange, teal, yellow, lime, magenta, ocean blue, and purple. For this garland, I'm only going to use two different size balloons. I'm using a 12-inch balloon and a 24-inch balloon. Normally for organic garlands and organic arches, I use 5 inches. But today I'm only going to use the 12-inch and the 24-inch, and I will size the 12 inches to different sizes to achieve that organic look. An electric balloon inflator, fishing line, or balloon ribbon. If you do not have an electric inflator, you can use a manual hand pump. However, it will take longer. Okay, as I've stated before, you guys, I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to inflate these to different sizes, and I'm just going to toss them in a bag for now, and then I'm going to come back and show you guys how I string them. Okay? So as you can see, there are two different sizes, and I'm going to tie them together like this and toss them in the bag. That's it. So you can blow them up to whatever size you want to. And I'm just going to continue on making these different sizes. Okay, you guys, I'm going to come back once I'm finished blowing up these balloons, and then we'll get started on string. Back today, I've inflated the majority of the balloons that I think I'm going to need, and this is the wall where the arch is going to go over top of the fireplace. I have my 260s that I'm going to hang the arch with, and then I also have my balloon ribbon that I will be stringing the balloons with. So I'm going to start with the teal. So I'm going to take my first set, I'm going to put my second set here, and then I'm going to take, and I'm using balloon ribbon. I'm not using fishing line this time. I'm using balloon ribbon. I'm going to take my balloon ribbon, and I'm going to wrap it around the initial one. And this is just to get started, you guys, that I like to, and then I'm going to take the actual string and I'm going to figure eight it. Then I'm going to take the next one, and these, as you can see, they're different sizes. And there's really no rhyme or reason to it. You can do this however you like. I'm going to place this here, go around, and back under, and back around. I want this to lay this way, or maybe this way, so then I'm going to start to build. Okay, you guys, and I am done. Okay, so you guys, tell me what you think. Let me know what type of videos you would like to see going forward. And yeah, until the next time.